Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the scheduling link in Calendly. This link makes it easy for people to book meetings with us based on our availability. Let's walk through it step by step. To get started, we need to create our link. On our Canvas link, if we want to use Calendly, we just need to create a Calendly link. We simply press Create a Meeting. From there, we can choose between one-on-one, group, or other options, depending on what we need. Once we've made our choice, we select our preference and move forward. Here, we will be setting up our calendar for this week. For example, a one-on-one with a student. We just need to click that to continue. We can set the meeting duration, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever works best for us. We don't need to set a specific location. We can choose anything we like. It supports Zoom, phone call, in-person, or Teams. Once we've decided, we click to select the location and availability. We can set our availability here and also fill in the host details. Once that's done, we go to more options. If there's anything else to configure, we can add descriptions, set limits, and choose notifications here. When everything looks good, we click here to save our changes. After saving, we will have our one-on-one with a student ready to go. Here is our link. We just copy it and send it to anyone who wants to book a meeting with us. That's all it takes to create a link in Calendly. With our link, we can share it anywhere and start booking meetings with ease.